A federal civil rights lawsuit over the death of a pretrial detainee at the Livingston County Jail will move forward. Today, a judge denied a request from the county to dismiss key claims in the case of John Griswold, who died while in custody back in 2018. Al Myers joins us from outside the Livingston County Jail in Howell with a look at the case and what comes next.
John Griswold was held here at the Livingston County Jail for less than 24 hours before he died in police custody. Now, a lawyer for the family who's looking for justice tells me they're one step closer to a jury trial. John Griswold had no previous criminal history when he got into an argument with his family in 2018. That's according to the family's lawyer, Brian McKean.
It was obvious that he was not in full possession of his faculties, that his balance was impaired, his level of consciousness was impaired.
You can see some of that impairment McKean is talking about on the video I'm showing you here. He tells me just a few hours later, Griswold vomits and makes no effort to clean himself up.
Just laid there in his own vomit. And this is abnormal behavior that people should recognize as indicative of a potential medical emergency.
McKean blames the officers in the jail and the emergency medical personnel at St. Joseph Mercy Livingston who released Griswold into their custody.
John Griswold had a serious medical need. These deputies turned a blind eye to it in violation of their own policies, by the way. And we think it's because, in large part, they're inadequately trained.
He tells me Griswold's treatment was a violation of his civil liberties. And this week, a federal judge ruled to allow the case to continue on to a jury trial.
The jury will hear the facts of this case, and I feel very confident in saying that the jury will feel, as I feel, that John's rights were violated.
Now, McKean tells me any damages to be awarded to the family will be decided at trial, and he hopes the trial and the end of this ordeal will wrap up later this year. For now, reporting in Livingston County, I'm Al Myers, CBS News, Detroit.